Hello boys and girls and welcome. Today we are going to say a few words about Ether class. Ether class holds information about hardware level. So you are going to first you are going to create object. And let's see, data stored within it. Now we are going to change this source address. How? With Ether crc and let's see how that looks like. See. Let me show you one more thing. You could use a method hex dump and give as a parameter this Ether object, and you are going to see a rough representation of this data. So that's all for now.